it's raining again. Let's bring our umbrellas. It's not raining that much now, but later when it is raining, you'll want it. There's still some raindrop, just a little bit. 내가 이렇게 막 걸어 다니는데 범피한데도 괜찮나?
스테이블라이저가 돼 있으니까. 가까이 붙어 있으면 보일 거야.
No, Lubisa. Lubisa and Gigi's already eating breakfast. Hi, Louisa.
Hi.
Are you already done?
No, I need to change Louisa.
Ah. So it's watching. You can see yourself. Be careful. Ooh, there are steps here and there. Oh, that's really shallow on that side. That's 2.5 feet. You can stand there. Good morning. Oh, you're here. I thought you were gonna sleep longer. But then 4:30 here is 3:30. So I was up at 3:30. And then I was like, oh no. What's turnip?
Turnip?
Yeah. It says blue turnip juice. I wonder what that is.
I think.
Oh, look at the eggs. So cute. Good morning. So cute. Steamed dumpling, shark's fin. Steamed banana, South Farm vegetable, fish. There's fish. Good morning. Scrambled eggs, potato wedges. There's bacon. Ooh. Papaya and mango. Looks yummy. There's yogurt. Yes, drink a lot of water.
여기는 더워가지고.
And it's not like the what do you call it?
On that chair.
Oh, well. Keep it out again. It will fall down.
Just barely.
What do you call that?
Dad.
I
We
just
brought out.
learned.
From mommy and daddy.
So before we
Because it's so
already slice it like that. And then just let it.
아하. Salamat po. Magandang umaga po.
What?
band
The band?
for the South Farm, but we
Lost it.
lost it. Thank you.
Thank you so much. You're welcome.
11 years. Lucky she'll turn into Lady Gaga. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah, man. Don't forget the crib.
Can I ride in the front? Yeah.
What? This is so big.
Alright, so we're going to South Farm.
Pigs.
Yes.
Nice.
In danger?
Yeah, I think.
Oh, it's very.
Whoa.
Let's go inside South.
Dad, Gigi's standing behind me.
Yeah, Miss Pataxa is holding us.
And I want to get and down, up and all through the town.
Thank you. Yeah, they'll be helpful.
Where's the scarecrow?
The one who is always outstanding in his job.
I don't know.
This is the way.
And then
When is she coming to Chadwick? 2 more years. Okay. Salamat. Magandang umaga. Ooh, what is that? Look at the dragon fruit. Yeah, you gotta stay hydrated. Wow.
Oh yeah, that's a banana.
I want the banana.
That's a native banana. And then it turns into like this.
Oh, that's the flower? Wow.
Should be like flower first and then.
Ooh, what is this?
If you want to have a baby, you need that.
Oh, really?
No, because it's healthy.
From that
Yes.
They're also live here.
Hello, magandang umaga. He's blocking all the view. What does propagation mean?
Where they grow babies?
Oh, what are these? They don't make banana? It's just called banana trees?
Guys, stay
Papaya
away
tree.
from the fire ants.
현수야, 거기는 가까이 가면 안 된다. Oh, rabbit habit. Ooh, it's here. Look!
Guinea pigs! I want to try feeding.
I want to keep this leaf though.
Mr. Guinea. I'm gonna name this one Mr. Guinea. Guinea, red-eyed guinea, furry guinea, and brown guinea. Here, red-eyed guinea, come here, red-eyed guinea.
Yeah, I was wondering why they were so small.
Hey, furry guinea, come here, furry guinea. Or fat guinea, come on here, fat. Brown guinea, no.
Here. Here, Gigi, this way. Yeah, this way.
Oh my goodness, this one's so big. Hey, I can distract you for
I
a
think they're
moment.
mating.
They're attacking each other. Be careful now. Whoa, look at the bunnies.
They were cute. You do name the houses.
Look at this baby. I want to hold it. Abigail, can I hold it? How?
So just put your arms like this.
Bran, it's exactly Bran. It looks just like Bran.
Okay.
That one is Bran.
Go for it, go for it.
Their beak is shaped. The yolk already turned into.
Dad, look.
No, thank you.
Wait, why is there two? There's. It's
No
banana.
way. Oh, what are these orange flowers? Oh, clay flower.
Okay, can we keep walking?
You understand Tagalog?
Yeah. Half Korean, half American. Way, horse may bite or kick. Do not bite me or kick me, please. I am leaving 2 weeks from now. I'm here on vacation. I don't really understand, but we came visiting with another family who's Filipino. And basically, I pick up a few words from them, so I'm fine.
갈 거예요. Is it over there? Okay.
Have fun, Louisa!
Opo, ma'am. Mamaya, ma'am. Pag
Thank
wala
you.
na.
Thank you. Salamat po.
Thank you.
Solo? Oh, okay. 올라가 봐. 혼자 할 수 있대, 현수야.
Okay, do it. I don't know how to ride the horse.
Na, do, sit.
하나, 둘, 셋.
Okay.
오케이.
You hold tight, ha?
저기 잘 잡고 있어. 여기 위에.
Tight.
Clay, your turn.
Okay, I'll hold tight. Whoa. Ooh, doing good. But horse can go by themselves. Whoa. Hey, are you there? This horse is a little fast. This horse is going a little more fast, I think. Hey, you can go next. Okay, I will come down. So I get down. Thank you.
Well done. How was it? 재밌었어? 진수, relax. Don't worry about the camera.
Okay. Yep. Abigail, can you hold Gigi's hand?
Hi.
Cheese. I want kids only.
Oh no, this is just for picture.
That's for picture only.
Cheese. Whoa.
Oh yeah.
Wait,
Elsa. Yeah, Elsa the cow.
Yeah, Elsa the cow.
I want to touch the horn.
You want to touch? How does it feel?
It feels smooth. Okay, yeah.
Oh yeah. Wow.
Okay, banana mango.
Showering. 오, 놀랐지? Yay!
Yeah.
Guys, do cheers. Can you guys cheer?
I can do that.
Do you want some taste?
I'll get some.
My third fear is no, I think it's my turn.
Ooh!
Yeah, you can choose from your pick. Yeah, so you
You just had a flying back.
Ow! What do you mean? It's only in Manila. It's okay. The best day? No, I don't know. So it's literally like half.
뒤에 뭐?